Hello friends, in this video I'll show you an easy way to create and verify IKEOption account. So watch this video properly and follow everything step by step so that you can get a very fully verified IKEOption account and start trading. So to make an account, just scroll down this YouTube video that you are watching right now and you'll see two links. One is for computer and laptop, another is for mobile. So if you click on here, you'll be able to download the mobile app. If you click on here, you'll see this kind of interface. So if you are from mobile, you can download that mobile app and then you can enter your email here and make a password and just click on I agree the terms and condition and click on try now. Once you click this, then after that you open your email address that you have used to sign up to the IKEOption and then click on that email that you have received and click on confirm email. So once you click on this confirm email, then you'll be able to see this kind of interface where you are already logged into IKEOption. So this means the sign up process of IKEOption is finished. Now if you are from mobile, you can follow that step and simply fill the sign up form by putting your email address and password, and after making an account, just you'll see this kind of interface in computer and then you can click on download for windows.msi. So once you click on here, then after some minute you will be able to see an app of IKEOption downloaded in your computer. So you have already an app on your mobile, but now you are in computer. So in computer you will see this kind of app. So once you see this kind of app, just click on this and then you can click on personal data. So once you click on this personal data, then you can again come to this interface, and once you are in this interface, just click on verification. So once you click on verification, then you will see an interface that is going to open here. So now we have already confirmed our email before. Now you need to confirm your phone number. So you can click on your phone verification and then you can put your number here and click on get a code. Once you click on get a code, you will get a field where you can enter that code. You'll instantly receive a SMS of 4 to 6 digit code that you need to put there. And once you put that there, then your phone will be verified. Then after that, so I'll show you how a verified phone number would see. So it is being a little bit late, so let's ignore this part for now. So once your phone number is verified, you can then simply click on personal data. And then you can simply fill these details: date of birth, name, last name, your country, your city, citizenship, everything. Don't tick mark this, okay, because you are not a US reportable person and IKEOption doesn't work on USA, so you should not click here, and you can click on save and continue. So once this much is over, then now the real easy process start to verify your document and payment method. So now you just go to your app that you have downloaded already and then simply go to chat and support and then click on support and tell them, hi, I want to verify my documents. What do I need to send and where to send? You just type this message and send them, and they will give you an email address like docs@ikeoption.com, and then you can simply compose email. You can make an email and send to docs@iqoption.com. So let me show you. So open your Gmail, whichever email address you have used to sign up in iQoption, just open that. Now this is a very much easy process to verify, because if you just click on all of these stuffs and start to fill here, then it would be hard for you as a new user in iQoption. So it is a simple process to directly message in the support and get the instruction and their email address and send them document instantly. So now you just click on compose email, and I'll also show you what you need to write. So internet is a little bit slow, please keep patience and keep on watching this video. So let me pause this video and resume. So just click on compose here and put the email address that iQoption support have provided you here, and write the subject document verification and just type this. I'll also keep this text in the description of this video below. You can directly copy this and paste it in your email. So you can write, hi, I have made an account on iQoption, please verify my documents so that I don't have to face any problem while depositing and withdrawing funds. So as a trader, you should be concerned about depositing and withdrawing funds, so that's why you need to state this point here. And once you write this much, just click on this attach files. So just let's cancel it. So once you click on attach files, then you can upload your verification document. That could be your passport, driving license, or citizenship. And if they are asking for bank statement, you can also attach that to verify your address. So once you do that much, just click on send. And once you send this document, and after 1 to 2 days, you'll be able to get an account with this green status. That means your account is now fully verified. We have verified our email, we have verified our phone number, we have kept our personal data, and we have also submitted our proof of identity. So now if I show you here how your account would look like after verification, then it would be like this. So they'll say your info has been submitted, thank you for filling out your information. Now you can simply click on trade now or open this app and start trading easily. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you'll be able to make an account easily. So I would like to tell you about one more thing that is called iQoption tournament. So basically, as a new trader, you may get some email for a free invitation to take part in this binary options tournament. So for this video, I'll show you about this tournament. If you don't know about tournament, keep on watching. So if I click on here you can see this tournament's prize pool is $50,000 and participants are 3,512 people. The cost to take part in this tournament is $20. And now once you click on join tournament, you need to pay $20 to take part in this tournament. However, as a new user, you may get an email invitation to take part in such free tournament. You can click on join the tournament and take part in that free tournament. And then you can, once you click on join the tournament, then you will see a real account balance, a practice account balance, and a tournament balance, which will be in this color, brinjal color. And you need to trade with that tournament account balance and keep on increasing that fund by trading binary options. And if you are able to stay in this top 30 position, then you will be able to win this fund that is stated at the right side. You can even withdraw this fund from these tournaments after winning. So for this tournament, it will end after 11 days. After 11 days, if the people who are in this top 30 position will be able to grab this prize, and they can withdraw this fund from the account even without depositing. So if you want to deposit real fund, just click on deposit and use the method, whichever method you want to use. And if you have any doubt regarding depositing and withdrawing from card, web money, Skrill, or any other payment method, then also you can simply go to chat and support, and I have tell them I have deposited from this kind of card, I have deposited from Skrill, I have deposited from web money. Do I need to verify something to not face any problem while withdrawing my fund, my profit? You can ask them, and they will reply you within 60 seconds with the proper answer, and you will be able to figure out whether you can easily withdraw, or if there is some other steps that you need to follow. However, after verifying this much things, you will not face any problem while depositing and withdrawing fund. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. So happy trading. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.